In ALM Octane, we believe that quality is everywhere. That's why you can track quality status and see quality insights in every module. No matter which methodology you use, traditional, agile, or hybrid, Octane will help you manage your testing and make sure you release a high quality product every time. If you're using the requirements module, you can create your tests there. But let's start with the backlog module. Let's create a new manual acceptance test for a feature. Select the feature, go to the Tests tab, and add a new test. I'll give it a name here just for example. We have out-of-the-box versioning, so you can see all of the past versions of the test and compare them. You can also use data tables to data drive your tests and share data between multiple manual tests. If you invest in more coverage, you can create a quality story to track this effort. A quality story is like a user story, but it captures all of the important work you have to do that's not directly visible to your customer. The other module you can use is the quality module. This module is organized by application modules, which are the functional breakdown of the product you're working on. For each application module, you can track coverage and status, create end-to-end tests, see defects, and check which new functionality has been added in the latest release. For each module, you can see all of the tests covering it, including manual tests, Gherkin tests, and automated tests, which are usually injected from the CI. When looking at the tests, you can also use the Smart Filter panel to see the latest status of each test in a certain release or environment. One of the things you can do here is plan a regression cycle. You do this by creating a test suite. Test suites are reusable, so you don't have to create a new one each time. Update the list of tests in the suite if needed, and plan a new suite run. Within the suite run, I can distribute test runs to different testers and assign runs to cover different environments. Each tester will see all of his planned runs in his My Work view. When you're ready to automate your tests, use the automation status and owner fields to track automation efforts. Octane has out-of-the-box support for behavior-driven development. You can create a Gherkin test, run it manually, and then automate it and see the automated runs in the same context. Everyone has visibility into the automation process. The dashboard module is perfect for tracking the progress of specific suite runs, automation efforts, requirement, feature, or user story coverage, risky commits per application module, and much more. To get an overall summary, you can use the Quality by Application module widget. See which application modules require attention based on defined criteria and decide where you should focus your efforts.